Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hidden Brick and happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to build this Lego holiday set. This is a seasonal set that they have from Shop at Home and the Lego store. You can buy it there. And this is their Thanksgiving themed set for 2015. So today is Thanksgiving 2015 when this video was published. So I figured why not? Let's go ahead and show it. So if you're watching this after, hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. So, pretty small set, only 158 pieces. These retail for about $10, so it's not a bad price for what you get. So we've got three bags, and two loose plates that are in the box. Go ahead and empty the contents off to the side. One more bag. All right. So we have a couple minifigures. It's basically like a scene at Grandma and Grandpa's house. So that's basically who we have here. We have the elder female who has the gray hairpiece that's in a bun. That's a pretty cool little minifigure. And then we have the elder male figure, and he has the gray hairpiece. So the torsos themselves are nothing new, and the legs are just plain, no printing on them at all. But the hair pieces are kind of rare, getting them in these colors. So that's pretty cool. Next up we have, well, we're going to build starting with these two plates. Also, we have the body of the turkey that I'm going to go ahead and snap the turkey legs on there. So these we get a lot of in a lot of sets, but we don't get the body very often. Now, I do have a few of them. They came in last year's, or 2 years ago maybe. There was the Thanksgiving set. I ended up acquiring, I think, 3 or 4 of them just for the parts pack, because it had a lot of food items and other stuff that was Thanksgiving kind of food related, so I grabbed quite a few of those. Alright, so we're going to start by turning this over. So this wall is 2 bricks wide, and on the outside of it we're going to have these masonry profile bricks, and on the inside we're going to have the kitchen. So we put these tan jumper plates on here. Those are going to represent the drawers in the kitchen. You can kind of see how they look like little door or drawer knobs. 4 of these 1x1 modified plates with a clip on them. Alright, now we're going to get into this maroon color. So the maroon color is like the interior painted wall color. All right. We have a bottle. Where's it at? Here it is. So it's like a wine bottle, I guess you could say. It's right there. We have the tan window frame with these pearlescent gold shutters. They're kind of decorative lattice type shutters. So that's a cupboard or cabinet that the wine is in. All right, so that's the top of the wall right there. So there's the kitchen built. Next we have basically gonna build the accessories on the inside. I have a little pot with a plant coming out of it. That goes right there on that jumper plate. Next we're gonna build the seats. We have table legs. This is going to be the table. Some jumper plates and some 1x1 plates. And a few more. These little teeth pieces, so the white stripe going through the middle is like the tablecloth, and this is supposed to simulate the cloth hanging over the side of the table. So we will Simply attach that right there, so there's your little table. Now we have a few items on the table, including a gourd of some sort. Could be a pumpkin. We have a couple goblets. We have the little water bottle piece that we'll put up here on the shelf. A trans orange 1x1 brick that's representing something else on the shelf. Turn this around and we're going to put some kind of autumn decoration on the walls here. So we have a vine that's growing up on the wall. It's, you know, your fall colors, your yellows, reds, and dark purples. And we have one more we're going to add. And finally, one other one. That's orange and yellow. These attached together like that. So there's our little autumn colored vine creeping up the wall. We have a few other decorations out here. So I guess this is a little utility area on the side of the house because we have a few jars of something. We have a pitchfork or a rake, whichever one you want to use it as, and then we have a shovel that you can use to either shovel snow or dig stuff to plant a garden. Alright, so now we're going to build a little serving cart. So we have some black round 1x1s. We have a pie right in the middle. A couple more 1x1s. We have the cart handle, which is a modified plate with a little handlebar on it. And the top of the cart. Turn this over. We have some little axles and the wheels, and I knocked the pie off, so I'll get that back on there somehow. It doesn't have to be on this cart, you can put it on the table, I guess. Alright, next up we have some jumper plates with a tile in between them. We have a white bowl with an apple in it and a clear tube piece, and then that's what you can slide the turkey over, is onto that clear 1x1 round brick. And this pie keeps coming loose. I'm trying to keep it in the middle because it accurately represents how the instructions say to build it. But as you know, we don't have to build it exactly like the instructions. We can do it however we want. So there we go. That is it. You can see we have some extra pieces. It's just small stuff that could typically get lost. Throw that in my extra parts bin. So we have our little scene here. We have the cart with the turkey, the pie, and an apple on there. And then we have Grandpa and Grandma. The table's pretty small. There's really not much room for plates or anything. But, you know, you can play with it however you want and make it work. Of course, you have your cupboard with your wine in it. So that's cool. Small little scene, and then on the outside we've got a little exterior play feature thing. So pretty cool little set. So happy Thanksgiving again, everyone. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone who subscribes and watch my videos regularly. You guys are the reason why I continue to do these videos. So wishing everyone happy holidays, and we will see you next time.